There are just a few more functions Terry needs to learn before he is an NCR Silver POS expert. In this course, Terry will learn about the other POS functions that will be useful for him as a cashier at Nick's Coffee Room.
Hi, Professor Silver. Terry and I are about to finish up our training. Are there any other useful tips you have for us?
Well, of course. There are a few more POS functions we should discuss before Terry completes his training. First, we should talk about favorites. This is a great way to make using the POS app even simpler. You can select your most popular items and add them to the favorites category so they are right at your fingertips when you need them.
Oh, cool. Kim said our most popular drink is the iced coffee, so we could add that to the favorites category.
Great idea! To add iced coffee to your favorites, search for iced coffee using the search feature. When the item appears in the search results, select the information icon to view the item details. Under Item Actions, select Add to Favorites. Iced coffee will now appear in the Favorites category of this device. Other POS buttons you should know about are Hold and Clear Ticket. The Hold button allows you to hold a ticket and begin a new transaction in the POS app without clearing the ticket. When you hold a ticket, you can choose whether or not you want to print a receipt.
I see. So if I still need to complete that transaction later, I can hold the ticket until I'm ready to complete it?
That's right. To retrieve a held ticket, select the Recall or Reprint button. A dialog box will open with 3 tabs across the top: Holds, Completed, and Orders. To retrieve a hold, select the Holds tab and select the ticket you want to retrieve. From here, you can recall a ticket, print a receipt, or clear the ticket.
What can you do in the Completed tab?
The Completed tab displays a list of all completed transactions filtered by tickets you have completed, tickets completed on this device, or all tickets. You can make a copy of a completed ticket or print the receipt. The Clear Ticket button allows you to remove all of the items that have been added to the ticket. A record of this clear ticket remains in the back office transaction reports, though. There are 2 override functions that are important to note: price override and tax override. To override the price of an item, select the item from the ticket, then select Price Override. Enter the new price and select Apply Override.
Professor Silver, does every user have the ability to override a price?
Only users with specific permissions can override a price. User permissions are defined in the back office, so you can edit the settings to disable that feature for certain user roles if necessary.
That makes sense. So what happens if a user without permission attempts to override a price?
The POS will prompt the user to enter the PIN of someone who has permission to use this feature. To override the tax for a ticket, select the tax line, then select Override. You will then be prompted to enter the new tax amount here and select Done. Select Close to close the tax screen. A couple of other useful POS functions you may need are in the slide-out menu. The No Sale option opens the cash drawer. Pay In, Pay Out is used when you need to add or remove cash from the register. To pay out, you must enter a reason code. Some reason codes include bottle deposit, buy inventory, safe drop, and tip payout. You can also add comments when you pay in or pay out if necessary. Make sure you always use a pay in, pay out whenever you are removing cash from the cash drawer or adding cash to the cash drawer outside of a transaction. If you forget to do this, your cash drawer will be out of balance when you close your shift. The NCR Silver POS app has a lot of useful features. Remember, the Favorites category lets you put your most popular items right at your fingertips.
Kim has done a great job showing Terry how to use the POS app. He is now ready for his exciting new role as a barista at Nick's Coffee Room. And with great employees like Kim and Terry, Nick's new location is sure to be just as successful as the first. In the next course, Nick will learn about reporting in the back office.